Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Gann Zone Pro Indicator. All right, let us head over to the MQL5 marketplace. The indicator is currently going for sale, priced at 470 US dollars currently on the MQL5 marketplace. However, you can try out the free demo, and that is what we are going to be doing in this video. All right, click on free demo. If you have the MT4, you just click on this, open, and it's going to direct us back to our MT4 platform. In a few seconds, we should have the indicator added to our navigator. All right, but we are going to be able to test it using our strategy tester. So you just drag and drop, you click on test. All right, after clicking on test, then you proceed to click on start. Okay, so let's just give it a little while so that we can have the indicator appear here. We're going to have visuals very soon. Okay, so now to understand this indicator, okay, I'm actually expecting more than this because based on what we have in the MQL5 platform, we can see that the indicator ought to give us some shaded areas directly on our chart. All right, you can see the indicator identifies zones, right? Areas of strength where price will tend to react. That is what this indicator does. It helps us to identify important zones on our chart. All right, it can work on any chart, instrument, or time frame. We can see that there is the manual mode, there is the automatic mode, and these are descriptions. All right, the shows levels panel. You can display or hide the panel of buttons. You can create a new segment for determining the level manually. You can create the new create level. You can see the different buttons for different functions. All right, trims level, delete level, create level, delete selected level, and all of that. All right, so here on the strategy tester, let's see. This is a free demo. All right, so maybe the features are limited, but at least we should be able to. All right, so on this panel we can see that some of the features here, this is enabling us to, this is for levels. Okay, yeah, we can see that. So if you want to understand how each of these buttons work, we can just go back to our MQL5 website here, and we can see each of the descriptions. All right, so if you want to create a new segment, you can use the new. If you want to create a level, you can use the LVL. If you want to delete selected level, MOD, DAL, delete level, and so on. So if we head back to this place, we can see that this is also a multi-time frame indicator. You can see different time frames here. All right, and you can see all these here. You can see if you want to use the new, maybe you want to draw a trend line, you can just use that. And then level, this is helping us identify a level directly on our chart. Okay, so before making any financial commitment, it is very important that you understand this indicator properly and make sure that you are convinced enough and you are satisfied with the indicator, all right, before making any financial commitment. Okay, so that will be it for this video, guys. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Okay, so in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.